Hello everyone, my name is Ainesh. I'm your little teacher. We will learn today positions, prepositions.
Okay, sir.
This cat is near the bowl.
Okay, sir.
This kitten is on the table.
Okay, sir.
This cat is under the table.
Okay, sir.
This kitten is in the bowl.
Okay, sir.
This kitten is between two kittens.
Okay, sir.
Now we will learn position prepositions with box and ball. This ball is in the box.
Okay, sir.
This ball is out of the box.
Okay, sir.
This ball is under the box.
Okay, sir.
This ball is behind the box.
Okay, sir.
This ball is far the box.
Okay, sir.
This ball is beside the box.
Okay, sir.
This ball is on the box.
Okay, sir.
This ball is between two boxes.
Okay, sir.
This ball is near to the box.
Yes, sir.
Now I'll show you preposition in. Now I'm keeping this teddy bear inside this bag. Now I kept it in. This is in the bag.
Okay, sir.
Now I'm taking the teddy bear out. Now this teddy bear is out of the bag. This big teddy bear is between these two teddy bears.
Okay, sir.
This big teddy bear is beside this teddy bear. This big teddy bear is here and this small teddy bear is near this big teddy bear.
Okay, sir.
This is near preposition. Small teddy bear is sitting far from this teddy bear. This big teddy bear is under this small teddy bear.
Okay, sir.
And this small teddy bear is on this big teddy bear. The small teddy bear is behind the big teddy bear because he's playing hide and seek with others.
Yes, sir.
Look now, why? Which preposition I taught you today?
I will tell you, sir. On, out,
Yes.
in,
Yes.
near,
Yes.
far,
Yes.
beside,
Yes.
behind,
Yes.
under,
Yes.
on.
Yes.
Am I correct, sir?
Yes. If you like my teaching, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you, everyone.